in order to replace the battery cell for my electric bicycle. I built the 18650 battery spot welder with supercapacitors. It failed on my welding test, so I finally gave up this solution. First, let's have a look at the circuit diagram. Two 500 farad supercapacitors are in series to provide up to 5.4 volt welding voltage. According to the datasheet, this capacitor can provide 264 ampere peak current. The lab power supply is for charging the supercapacitors. Balance board is responsible for protecting the capacitors. The digital multimeter DMM is for monitoring the capacitor voltage, which is the welding voltage. This is my build of spot welding machine with supercapacitors. My test shows that the right welding voltage is about 5 volt. When the voltage is lower than 5 volt, the solder joint is not strong enough and can be easily separated by hand. When the voltage is higher than 5.4 volt, holes were made on the welding nickel strip, and the solder joint will not be solid. In addition to welding voltage, welding quality is also much affected by the welding time and the pressing strength. Both are difficult to control. If pressing too hard, welding time is too long. If pressing is not strong enough, the welding contact resistance is too large. When welding time is too long, nickel strip will burn too red to holes, and the joints are weak. If the welding time is too short and the solder joints are not strong enough, I tried again and again, did not find a reliable way to produce solid welding joints. In addition, the charging time is too long, which is also a problem. My lab power supply is able to provide up to 2.5 ampere charging current. I didn't time the charging time, so I ran a simulation. This is the simulation circuit diagram, and here is the simulation results. The green line is the welding voltage, which is rising from 0 volt. The blue line is the charging current, which is falling from 7 ampere. Simulation shows it takes about 360 seconds to charge from 0 volt to 5.3 volt, the red line. Suppose the voltage drops to 5 volt, the yellow line, after each welding. Charging from 5 volt, the yellow line, to 5.3 volt, the red line, takes about 50 seconds. To summarize, this supercapacitor spot welding machine doesn't work for me. If you have better ideas, please leave a comment below. This DIY is failed. So I built a MCU-controlled high current relay spot welding machine. The Relay Sport Welder is reliable, simple, and low cost. It is detailed in another video of mine. I hope this video is helpful. Please click like and subscribe to support me. Thank you.